Want to earn thousands of % in profit without trading or stress? I started with just 0.2 BNB, and in 2 days, it grew to 0.85 BNB. Not many people know about this in the crypto world. This is one of the low-risk strategies that works in any market condition, whether it's bull or bear. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process, from setting up the bot to withdrawing profits. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important tips. First, go to the dApp at appy.hypersfusion.xyz. If you're using a smartphone, you can access it through the browser inside MetaMask. Once you're there, click Get Started. You can use ETH mainnet, ETH Layer 2 networks like Base Network, or BSC. Mainnet. Inside the dApp, there is a performance overview, which updates every 5 minutes. Below that, there's a live transaction table showing newly deployed bots and recent withdrawals. Now, connect your wallet here. I'm using BSC. Next, enter your bot name and loan amount. Example $1,000 for 0.2 BNB or 0.1 ETH. Leave the withdrawal. Address field empty if you plan to withdraw using the same wallet. In this example, I entered 0.2 BNB because I'm using a $1,000 loan, then clicked Start. If you've deployed before, the contract alias will automatically be used. If not, it will appear as a regular contract address. You can also adjust the gas fee if you want faster transactions. Next, click Confirm, wait for the pop-up, and copy the contract address. Now, go to BSC Scan. If using BSC, paste the contract address, and you'll see your first deposit in the bot contract. Wait for 1 to 2. After 2 days, I checked my bot contract, and it had grown to 0.85 BNB from an initial 0.2 BNB. This is an amazing result. You can see that the bot made 4 transfers, generating a total of 0.65 BNB in just 2 days. If you're happy with the results, go back to the dApp, connect your wallet, and withdraw. Check MetaMask. If it hasn't arrived yet, just wait or refresh. Finally, it arrived. A total of 0.896 BNB with an 1,800% gain. Wow! Why wait? Start now. When else can you make this much without trading or stress? Hurry up while the bot is still free to use. Once it becomes a paid service, you'll need a bigger initial investment. And the best part? Arbitrage bots are not affected by market conditions. Whether the market is bullish or bearish, there are always price differences on DEX to take advantage of. So take action now while you can.